We did it again. Another Yankee twist tutorial. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing another Yankee twist tutorial. Of course, these Yankee twists are from Toyotress. Absolutely loving this style, this little Yankee twist with a twist. So I did some flat twists on the side of my hair and then did the Yankee twist on this side. I did do the individual illusion crochet method in the front and then French braid at the back. I'll show you the braid down pattern when we get to the tutorial. But these Yankee twists, as always, super cute. This is the first time using this color, and this is the color T27. These are 10 inches. I did cut a little bang, but these are so gorgeous. Like, Yankee twists are definitely my new favorite protective style. If you can't already tell, I've done several Yankee twist videos. I'll link those up above. Make sure you check them out. But this is my first time doing this kind of like side action with the Yankee twist, and I'm absolutely loving it. So let me give you a 360. Absolutely loving these Yankee twists. So again, these are from Toyotress. This is the little insert that comes in the packet. Comes in a pack of 8, and I did use all 8 packs on my hair. So this is the full bundle. I did put extra in for some volume. 8 packs is definitely enough for a full head, no matter what style you are trying to do. This is like my 4th time, I think, using Yankee Twist from Toyotress, and the 8 packs that come in a bundle is definitely more than enough. So make sure that you check them out. I'll leave the link in the description box. But let's get into this tutorial. Best about Yankee twists is they definitely give you that natural look, wash and go twist style, and they are super duper low maintenance. Like, there's really nothing that I need to do with these. At night, I just put a bonnet on, fluff it out a little bit with my hands in the morning and go. Like literally, there is no tangling. There is no need to refresh with any products or anything like that. Maybe a little shine mist if you want. You can add mousse, but it's definitely not necessary at all. This style is super low maintenance, super easy to do, very quick and easy. The twists are so tiny. So I do install them 3 to 4 at a time. In the back, I install them 4 at a time. And then towards the front, 2 to 3 at a time. But yeah, these twists, super cute, super low maintenance. Absolutely love this protective style. So let me know what you think about this style in the comments section below. Would you rock this? Are we feeling the style? Are we feeling the color? I'm absolutely loving it. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.